Dancehall diva getting licks. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Ex-Downsound DJ under fire, but defiant for putting the spotlight on oral sex. Equal rights or wrong move? Aishana breaks her silence on a sticky subject.
I don't want tears. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi.
Equal rights, laying a taboo topic on the line, glorifying oral gratification from a feminine perspective. But some in the male-dominated dancehall outrage.
You like cutlass, but if you want you have to this.
Don't care about them. From ever since, Aishana is that type of artist that I don't really care about selectors playing my song or radio. I mean, big up everybody who play my song and thing, but my career is not really based on that. My career is based on my fan base, you know, so I am always pleasing my core fan base. So when I do a song, I don't really do a song to please selectors or radio personnel. You know, I do a song to please my fan base, especially my female fans. So right now, the female fan, them come out on the song. So that me responsible. Don't care about selector.
But you know it's not a level playing field. You're going to get a lot of flack for this song, and a lot of selectors won't play it.
Yeah, and as I said before, girl don't response. At the end of the day, I show my car, I never call for who want to take it up for them business. Because I see enough waste people that take up the song and bear idiot to do counteraction. And all none of them counteraction they with them not do not make one. Because them not lyrical like that. And me make them members say them are artists. You understand? Don't business about them. At the end of the day, if you're not guilty, why do you care? Because some of them not say back juice or sucks up them say. I know sucks up them say no, a kisko. Yeah, them not say back juice or kisko them say. That's why them have a problem with it.
Why? Me not go compromise.
Aishana casting equal rights as more than just a racy track about a sticky subject. Instead, more like a wake-up call to women.
Foreplay, I'm modern times now, boy, relax.
Life itself is tough of being a female. That's why I have to do the song Equal Rights. Because I have to represent for the woman them. Equal rights to say and justice, and it's bigger than just a song. It's a way of life. It's a movement. So right now, girl, just I say, listen, equal rights straight across the board.
But the content is going to give people some problems in the Jamaican male-dominated dancehall.
Them supposed to have problem. As you heard in my song, I said,
enough ignorant people I go cuss this.
So basically, girl didn't know say them have a problem with it, and girl don't care. You understand? Because at the end of the day, me have to talk. I'm real. I have to be real, and I think that's what set me apart from everybody else. I just start the things them and do response. And guess what? Some of them were cuss, them are hypocrite. Because 96% of the man them in a Jamaica are do 69. Yeah.
Those girls, you can't do what the guys do, no, and still be a lady.
But Betty Wright has a song saying girls can't do what the guys do and still be ladies.
And there's a man invent the quote there for brainwash you. Don't listen to them. Ladies, we are change up the thing. We not have to abide by the rule. Who invented the rule there? Think about it. Who invented the rule about a man have to do what a girl can't do what a man do and still be a lady? Is a man invent that for brainwash way? Nothing no go so. Anything them do we can do it better.
But as far as the lyrics are concerned, are you happy with your equal rights?
Of course. Girl have to be festive and full of life. Yeah, me have to be festive at the end of the day. And the thing is, I'm not trying to please people. Everybody knows that Aishana is that type of artist who just talk with them on her mind. And if you like Aishana, you like Aishana. If you don't like Aishana, too bad for you. Just put your finger down your throat and vomit to get rid of the bad feelings. Girl don't care. Just say it there right now.
People like Footer Hype are giving you a warm time on Instagram.
Boy always a give girl a warm time. Because girl legendary all when my grandma still a live on. So we don't need to talk about that. That is still news. That is so TBT, Throwback Thursdays. Yeah, Throwback Thursdays. And we're Friday. Yeah, don't need to talk about that. Moving along.
But when those awful comments go out on social media, how you respond?
Don't care.
You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi.
Any regrets having to do with moves you made in your career thus far?
No. I wouldn't say I regret anything that I've ever done in my career, in my personal life, nothing. Because at the end of the day, everything happens for a reason, and I'm a strong believer in that. I just feel so everything happens for a reason, and even if you don't see the reason right now, years down the line, you're going to see the
But if you
reason.
could turn back the clock, would you have left Downsound?
Of course. Of course, why wouldn't I? I'm not really upset about leaving downtown. I'm happy because I'm more in control. And I'm happy with where my career is right now. So big up downtown, but right now, girl, I do our thing.
But downtown is where the money is.
Yeah, but girl, I make our own money. Girl is our own boss. I'm a boss. Who would want to be a boss? Talk up now. No, seriously. I mean, so I go, big up downtown, but right now, girl, just in our own lane, I do our own thing. So I'm a boss, I'm in control. I'm in control of my image, I'm in control of my music, I'm in control of my photo shoots, I'm in control of my video shoots. So to me, I can't ask for nothing else, honestly.
Why aren't you on the lineup for Reggae Sumfest
Anthony,
with
you know why
equal
girl
rights?
you know why girl not depend on Sumfest?
Why aren't you on Sumfest?
You forgot to ask the promoters.
Shauna, I think you have a hit. And I think you're doing a great job with this song. I'm really happy for you that you have this kind of record that's hitting all over the place. I saw you in Sirius Radio today. And I think you're looking really, really good. And I just wish you all the luck in the world.
So why isn't she on Sumfest?
It's too late. But there may be room at the beach party.
As I said before, girl is not on Sumfest, girl is not worrying about Sumfest. Girl in our own lane and I do our own thing, girl have our own fan base. And if girl for touch Mobile the day after Sumfest, it got sold out. So girl don't really respond. Big up Sumfest, but girl in our own lane right now. Don't care about Sumfest. Yeah, that's right there. Don't want to hear nothing else about Sumfest.
Deal with me like a bag juice. Me say equal rights and justice.
With equal rights, this is a case of the more controversial you are, the more attention you're going to get.
Well, the thing is with me, my life, I don't know, I just something about it people attracted to. I will not try. I'm just basically representing for women and I'm their voice. So things that they want to say and they cannot get to say, that's what Shauna do. No matter how risky the topic is or who afraid to talk about it, Shauna is that artist that go out there and just talk about it. So that's what it's about. It's not really about being controversial because that'll come to me regardless. All when I don't want to be seeing them just happen to see me. But it's just about doing topics where girls can relate to and just represent for them right now. So me just have to represent for the woman. Me have the voice for the woman them right now. Now we start a movement, we're tired. We're there in the hairdressing shop and we talk the things them and me have to make the public know where I'm going. So we talk about equal rights, we talk about cheerful giver, we talk about schoolgirl, we talk about a bag of things, we talk about the woman that can't cook, we talk about beer things. This is just one topic, but I am somebody that's always addressing the topics where women are concerned. That's my lane, and I think that's what people appreciate about Shauna.
And in an ideal world, who would be your ideal sort of collaborator?
Well, if I was to collaborate with an artist, I would say probably Vybz Kartel most likely, because to me, he's on the top, and I'm the type of artist, I don't really compete with women. I don't compete with women artists because to me, them not lyrical enough. You have to compete with people where, you see as a competition. So I compete with people that I think are great. And I think Kartel, the way I'm putting things together, lyrically, that's who I see myself.
Well, maybe you can send him a track.
Anything, I don't know if we can send him a track, but
female voices often drowned out by their male counterparts, and sex, call it equal rights, still their best bet to shine.
A time now for women just take control. You understand? A time for step out, a time for come out clean.
Don't you need to keep some of the DJs who are opposed to the song on your side? And
Why?
Because you're a part of the dancehall community in Jamaica.
No, I don't need for keep nobody by my side. It's a one-woman army.
You have the hot song. People want to see you perform it. Where are you going to be performing this song?
Actually, I performed that song in Trelawny a few weeks ago. Response crazy. You understand? A selector get $200,000 money pull up for that song there. And a normal thing right now. The woman them come out on that song there. I'll be performing in Savlamar tonight. And nothing normal. One event named Rome. Everybody can come out come see me. Next week, I'm there at Savlamar. And hold on there. Here's a killer, Bounty Killer say, me, Shauna, can perform the song there in a Portland next week. You understand? But guess what? We're going to see if my female fans, we're going to see what go on next week. We're going to see if the girl them make the man them bully because we run dancehall. And we say equal rights and justice. Yes, so we're going to see what go on Portland and want every girl about them phone. Because Because we have to tell the tales about this. Because we can't cow down and we can't bully we. Yeah. We not talk nothing when nobody not do. Please.
Me say equal rights and justice. No ignorant people I go cuss this.